Hey guys, today I got my custom bike that I just got. It's a Cult CC01 frame with Cult CC01 parts, but I mixed and matched it to make it custom. This is, start with the top. I got Cult D-Heart grips, Cult brake, Cult bars, a flat black Cult stem, flat black Cult forks, some Cult orange rims on the 2013 CC01, the black one, but I put them on my orange one. Got some Cult PC pedals, flat black cranks, chain, just a regular black chain, Cult seat, pretty comfy. The Cult frame, it's really nice. Yeah, I'd give this bike probably a 9 out of 10. Really good, rides really good. Can't wait to go to the skate park. I'm going tomorrow. And yeah, that's my bike.